Look, Grunty's shells. Oh, yes. Let's see if we can find a stripy one. Stripy shell. Oh, Grunty.
Oh, that was close. Always keep hold of the map, Grunty. We needed to find our way home.
Oops, sorry.
But well done for being first to find a stripy shell.
I think I found who lives in it too. Oh, look. Goodbye, little snail. Oh, it's so windy. Oh, Miffy, your ears are trying to fly. Oh. Oh.
Hold on a moment, girls. I'm not quite sure where we are. So, we came up this way, which means we should be heading towards...
Oh, Poppy! Oh, the map! Oh, no! Look, Poppy, you found a spiky lily. Yay!
Well done, me.
We found a stripy shell and a spiky leaf.
But I'm afraid we've lost the map. It's blown away.
Oh, no. Does that mean we're lost too? How will we get home?
Oh, don't worry. I'm sure we can think of a way to find my house again.
We can ask someone the way.
I can't see anyone to ask.
I know. We can use the binoculars to find your house.
Good thinking, Miffy.